Here is a microwave oven transformer. I am giving it up to sell because I need money, and in order to make a quad or another triple sec, I want my mats to all be the same. And I do not have any matching ones, so might as well get rid of the ones that don't match. So, just an ordinary mat. It's not deshunted. I do have a deshunted one though, which I will keep. And let's give it a test. So that way, the buyer knows that it works. Guess that's good enough. Chicken stick's a bit tied up, but it's better than using a screwdriver as a chicken stick. So here we go. Listen to that beautiful hum. Okay, that's all we need to do, considering the primary doesn't have a very good connection, and there's no need to go ahead popping the circuit breaker. So, yep, there we have it. Ow! And that little thing I was arcing to here, it is plenty warm, to say the least, if my camera ever focuses. And yeah, it hurt to pick up. So, the arcs are definitely warm. See you later.